Hello, everyone. Today's lesson is about the UTEX trading terminal. After signing up and logging into your account, you will find yourself on the main page. To access the terminal, click on the margin button. I'll briefly explain what the main sections do and give some tips on using the terminal. First, the terminal is designed to meet all your basic needs. Everything essential is here, and it can suit a large number of traders because you don't need to install or download anything. You can simply use a couple of buttons to enter and exit trades. I hope you like it. Let's begin. Now we have selected stocks. Stocks are paired with USDT, and all instruments are quoted in USDT, particularly US stocks. Let's open this tab and examine the stocks section. Here we have a watch list, also called a portfolio, with tabs. The Favorites tab is where you can add the instruments you want to track. Adding items is very simple. You type the company name or ticker symbol. Then it appears in the search results. Click on the star, either here or there, whichever is more convenient. That's how you add a stock to your list. As you can see, another company has been added, and you can now conveniently follow it. The second tab is the Popular tab, which we update periodically. This section shows the most active stocks for today and includes some from past trading sessions. You can use this section to filter your search and see what you can trade now and what to pay attention to. Moving on, the total balance is the sum of the available funds in the account. Note that liquidation occurs when 20% of your deposit remains, or at $200. You can hover over these menus to expand them. All of these numbers have descriptions, so it's pretty convenient. Click the deposit button to see the different fulfillment methods. Choose the most convenient method for you. Available balance. This is what's available to you for trading. Your buying power. This shows how much buying power is used, and here your profit will be shown. Or, well, losses. Very easy to use charts. You choose the time frame, which is like a period for which data will be shown.
For example, here I select 1 day. We usually use 1 or 7. 7 days is quite enough. And the interval that will be reflected within the day. This is a 5-minute interval, a 5-minute candle when everything is clearly visible for the last 2 to 3 sessions. Everything is draggable, stretchable. Below is the volume scale. In general, use it. Set it up however you like. The open orders window is also necessary. I'll definitely show how this will look in reality when there will be positions, open orders, pending orders, or stop orders. Everything here should be intuitively clear. This shows the execution of all the trades that you made. It's empty since we have nothing now. Further, at the top here there's an opportunity to look at the status of your account. Balances, how it works, any additional information, it's simply duplicated here for convenience. Also balance and report, all records of your trades will be reflected here, so whenever you need to look at the records, you can open this and see past activity. Now, this is the main window for entering orders. 2 buttons, buy, sell, pretty simple. Then we have limit, market, stop orders. I hope that in the lesson about orders you are at least able to understand them a little. And here you can try to trade using them. Our position is closed, we have nothing. We don't have any positions now. The market is open, and this shows when the trading session ends and what times it is now in New York. The order book is also, of course, a very important element for trading. So, the bids are below, asks are above. The number of shares here is summed up across all trading levels. The spread in this case is 1 cent. The tape of trades. These are the trades that took place, and the price at which the stock sold, the number of shares, well, and you can also see the time of the trade here as well. There are also market orders, which work exactly the same way, only they are executed at market, and here you can try to trade using them. Now I'll show you how. Most likely if we now send a market order to the order book, we'll get the price.
Now that we've bought 10 shares, you can see them in the positions window, along with the current profit on the trade. You'll also see the executed order in the history tab. When you're ready to sell, just press and hold the Close Position button. There are stop orders, which naturally you should definitely use. Most often, traders use them to limit losses. Well, that's basically it. For beginners, I strongly recommend not taking large volumes in the first days of trading. Try to enter with a limit order, exit with a market order. Everything is easy to learn, so good luck with your trading.